Guys, this is Leo, the FLL Flights Do 2.0, and today this is going to be my fire alarm system test number 3, but we have something new. So let's go ahead and get started. First we'll be starting down here. So right here I have my Potter pulse station. See that right there? Yeah, this is actually dual action, by the way. Right here I have my Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe, and as you can see, this horn strobe is going to be on the strobe only, not the horn, because the horn is going to be sound. It's going to be loud because the horn is loud, so we're not going to test the horn, we're going to test the strobe today. Right here I have my, something's going to be on the back. Are you ready? We have my ESC Genesis speaker strobe, and yes, this is going to be ceiling mount, by the way. And as you can see, I have the speaker played on the simplex message, and meanwhile the strobe is not gonna flash because the strobe is not gonna work. The speaker will work actually. So for now, let's get to it. Fire alarm system test number 3. Okay, so it seems we're gonna do it. Fire alarm control panel connected. Let's pull it. Lift here. Oh, you know what? Let's do this again. So fire alarm lift and pull down. It's gonna be really cool. We're gonna wait for the alarms. There you go. So if the fire alarm is silenced and the strobe flash, we'll go ahead and reset the pulse station. And yeah, the fire alarm is actually really cool, I believe. So basically, the fire alarm's now reset. The system's all reset and everything. Alright, now let's do the key activation. Alright, here we go. It's not gonna be loud, I tell you. So, you may not leave the building yet, but okay. Alright. So it's working fine, I believe. Yes, and this is actually gonna be activated. So basically, when you key activate the pulse station, the button gets released, which I'm gonna show you the inside now. See, the button gets released in the inside. So yeah. Alright guys, now I'm finally gonna change the tone of the simplex. But the simplex voice evacuation is gonna change it to the simplex female 41 OEC and voice evacuation message. And it'll be saying there's a fire in the building. So we're going ahead and pull the fire alarm and see how the fire alarm activates. Put the key here. Here we go. Lift and pull. I'm gonna reset it. The fire alarm is silenced. Let's go ahead and shut off the strobe. Okay, the fire alarm The fire alarm is finally reset, or I can say the fire alarm is finally resetted, and yeah. So the fire alarm is now reset. Or sorry, I can't talk. So yeah, we'll come right back. Okay, so I was playing another message in the. So it could be the male voice. It's gonna be the Simplex 4010 ES. I'm sorry, ES male voice effect message, and yeah, this is gonna be on mail. Sorry. We're gonna go ahead and activate it. Sorry, I can't talk, but why not? All right, let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm with the key. But we already key activated today, but let's go ahead and pull it. Oops. I think the fire alarm got discontinued. Hold on. Okay, so I just reset the fire alarm again. Then let's go ahead and pull it. Okay, fire alarm silenced. We'll go ahead and reset the pull station for you. So before, I'm going to show you about the pull station a little bit more. So basically, you pull down this pull station. Of course, it's silenced, but it's not going to sound the alarm. Basically, when you pull down the pull station, you can't put it back up. So that's why. Oops. There you go. Let's go ahead and just silence it. Alright. And now with the fire alarms reset, back to normal. Okay, so next I'll be playing the Simplex 4003 fire message. And this is going to be on the speaker here. And yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm. You ready? Alright, let's do this. And one more thing, before I get into that, do you remember we played the Simplex message, the Simplex 4003 fire message? We played it like a long time ago, like 1 year ago. I was like 14 years old. But now I'm 15. Let's go ahead and pull a fire alarm. Simplex 4003 fire message. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and reset the pull station. What's that? So, as you can see, a fire alarm silenced. Let's go ahead and shut off the strobe. And as you can see, a fire alarm silenced and reset it back to normal. Alright, now I'm going to play another message. And first is going to be the Simplex, it's going to be the system sensor. Not system sensor, safe path. And it's going to be playing the music. So, It's gonna be so first. It's gonna be the voice, music, and starts it over again. So let's reset this. So yeah, and that is this, I believe. Or they're gonna play another message now. Okay, another message. 41 4 410 0U voice evacuation, and I have that message on for you. Let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm and see how it looks. Here we go. I'm gonna lift the cover and pull it. So he said emergency ended, and you guys need to go back in the building immediately. So it's gonna be all clear. And not only that's not gonna be all clear, but there's more. We'll go ahead and do it again. The message. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, here we go. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. This fire alarm pull station just got ripped up the wall, on the shelf. So, yeah. I think that if now it's done already, so no pull station in this thing, so thank you guys for watching.